Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Cat Entertainment Channel. So as you might know, we have 6 cats, and I figured it was time to build them their very own house. We like to let our cats out in the morning when we're sitting outside drinking our coffee, and I thought they would appreciate a little clubhouse. So a big shout out to this video's sponsor, Aivituvin. They specialize in all sorts of enclosures and houses for pets. I'll leave a link down below in case you want to check them out. So I wanted to share my experience with you because I know you are also cat lovers, and this company has some amazing cat houses and catios. So the instructions are split into 14 steps. It recommends a 2-person build, but I did this myself in about an hour. So first I took everything out of the box and laid out the pieces. It comes with everything you will need except a drill, so you will need that. And this was very easy to build. It was step by step, all the pieces fit together. It has all the screws that you're gonna need. It even has little feet for the bottom. And I'm the kind of person that hates putting furniture together, but even for me, this was simple. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. And I was supervised by one of our cats named Jesse. He was outside hanging out with me, and he did an excellent job supervising. This model is the AIR40. It has an asphalt roof that can be opened with a hinge, a balcony in the front, a window for keeping an eye on things, which you know cats like to do, an eave on the front door, and the front door has a curtain, a rear door, a flower box, and it even has removable floor for easy cleaning. Okay, and how adorable is this little front porch? So here it is, all finished and put together. I can't wait to put something in that flower box. I think I'm gonna plant cat grass. What do you guys think? And here's our cat Griffin checking it all out. So I would definitely recommend this company, especially if you're looking for a cat house or a catio, and if you have outdoor cats, this is perfect to keep them out of the cold or out of the summer heat and give them a little place to call their own. So again, I wanted to give a shout out to Aivituvin for sending this out. I totally love it, and if you guys are interested, again, the link will be down below. And I wanted to give a sincere thank you to all of my subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. It really, really means so much to me. So if you're not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.